Here's a MATLAB myth that makes your loops longer and buggier. You think a for loop counts. That to walk a list of prices, you write for I equals 1 colon length of cart, then dig each value out with cart of I. You don't have to. MATLABs for loop will hand you those prices themselves, one at a time, and the index never appears. Every stopping point you write by hand is a chance to miss the last item and never notice. Take the chance away. Think about a supermarket checkout. The items are already on the belt. The cashier doesn't ask for item number 3 and doesn't ask whether to keep going. They pick up the next item, scan it, and stop when the belt is empty. 2 things to notice. The number of items is settled before the first scan, and the cashier holds the item, not its position in the queue. That's MATLABs for loop, not a question it re-asks, a list it walks. Here's the syntax. The word for, a variable name, an equal sign, and a collection of values. Under it, the body. Close it with the word end. The form you'll see everywhere. For I equals 1 colon 5. That runs 5 times. I holds 1, then 2, on up to 5. Now the part that matters. There's no condition, nothing to recheck, nothing you have to update to stop it. MATLAB works the collection out once before the first pass, then runs the body once per value. 1 pass, 1 iteration. Let's put a real list in there. Here's our cart. 5 prices. 4, 12, 3, 9, and $2. We want the total. Some would do this in 1 word, but soon we'll want what some can't. Total starts at 0. For I equals 1 colon length of cart. Length of cart is 5, so that's 1 through 5. Pass 1. I is 1, so cart of I means cart of 1, which is 4. Total becomes 4. Pass 2. I is 2, cart of 2 is 12. Total becomes 16. Notice you do 2 things every pass. Get a number, then look it up. Here's what nobody tells you. Delete the index entirely. For price equals cart. That's legal. Pass 1, price holds 4. Not the number 1, the actual $4. Total becomes 4. Pass 2, 12. Total becomes 16, then 19, then 28, then 30. Same answer, and cart of anything never appears. Here's why it works. For I equals 1 colon 5 was never a counting instruction. 1 colon 5 is a row of numbers, and for walked along it, handing you 1 at a time. Cart is a row of numbers too. So for walks that instead. And the flip side, suppose the cart is empty. Cart equals empty square brackets. MATLAB works the collection out, finds 0 values, and skips the body completely. Total stays at 0. Same code, 0 passes, no error. That's not a bug. That's a loop with nothing to do. Now let's break it, on purpose. $1 off every item. I'll walk the values and subtract 1. For price equals cart, price equals price minus 1, end. The printout looks perfect. 3, 11, 2, 8, 1. Then I look at cart. Untouched. Nothing stopped. Nothing crashed. And the customer paid full price. Price is a copy, not a window into cart. Changing the copy changes nothing. So the counter comes back. To change cart itself, you have to say where. Cart of I equals cart of I minus 1. So, reading values, walk the values. Writing them back, you need the index. You know while, so here's the whole difference in one breath. While asks a question before every pass and keeps asking until something in the body changes the answer. For doesn't ask anything. It's handed a list up front, runs once per value, and it's finished. Write this cart total as a while loop and you create the counter, add 1 to it, and get the stopping test right. All yourself. 3 chances to get it wrong. Don't know how many passes? While. Got a list in your hand? 4. So, for walks a list. The list is settled before the first pass, and the loop variable is a copy, not a window, into the original. Here's your challenge. Take the cart, set total to 0. Then, for price equals cart, total equals total plus price, and then price equals 0. End. You're wiping the loop variable every pass. What does total come out as, and what's in cart? Work it out by hand, then check in MATLAB. Put your answer in the comments. I'll pin the first correct one. All the code from this video is free on GitHub. Link in the description. Clone the Learn MATLAB repo, open the for loop folder, and you've got both forms of the loop, the discount bug, and the fix, all ready to run. Try the challenge yourself, then come back and tell me what you got.